Yeah, this is I'm still in Desert Breeze. Here goes a waterfall thing going on. I mean a little pump, water pump. And it's falling down into here. It's nice over here on this side of town. A little more going on over here than where I live at. But it's still Chandler. We're still in Chandler. It's just a different part. See, look. There's a grade school across the street. Oh, here's where I parked before. I was wondering how I came in a different way. I always come in these parks a different way. I parked on a private street like this. It's got to be on the other side. See, here's where it's running to. Look, it's coming from here. And it's going down and through. There goes one opening here. And it's coming through underneath the sidewalk. And it's going through here. Then they got a little sculpture here of like 5 kids walking across a log. Look. Let me take a picture of that.